What is my input into the conference? Well, that will be later. So, I will be taking part in a panel to discuss KPIs to measure how innovation is impacting health and healthcare. The future of life sciences is a big challenge because the world is changing. Priorities may be changing as well. You hear lately the need for a lot of investment in defense, and we all know that resources are always finite and limited. So we've seen a lot of investment in Europe towards life sciences the past 2-3 decades. What is going to happen now? We have continents. China is very aggressive in this space. Of course, there might be an opportunity, I'm not sure if that's the way I would call it, an opportunity for Europe, that things may slow down to some extent, in the US. But still, I think overall, even if the outlooks should be amazing, I think we have to be cautious and we should not take things for granted. That is very important to integrate, to really bring benefits to patients, but also as innovators to the industry and to the clinicians. Very nice. I mean, the auditorium is a little bit like a cinema, so it's quite strange. You're in the dark, suddenly you come out and it's bright. But I think the setup is fantastic. I think the participants make very clear points. It was really interesting not to only hear how great things are, but also people to come and say, look, we're too slow, what are we going to do about it? What can we do about it? Can we do something about it? And to have these discussions. So I think the organization, the panels, the quality of the presentations and the input, I think is very good. It's beautiful. It's my first time. I was very surprised. I mean, I did not really know what to expect. I was in Warsaw a few years ago. I was absolutely amazed by the reconstruction, like for like after the destruction in the Second World War, to come here and to find a city that has been pretty much untouched or unharmed at least. It is fantastic. It's beautiful, beautiful. In terms of what the life sciences sector is producing, there are so many amazing things to look forward to. We work in virtual human twin technology. There are a lot of companies working in AI. You have new processes being developed to accelerate and enhance the processes for manufacturing new drugs and devices. You have a lot of research into new types of therapeutics, cell-based, protein-based. I think all of these, if again, joining the pieces, bring them together, will give us an absolutely bright future. I think health can change, I think healthcare can change, and we can really shift, thanks to the transformation in the life sciences sector, between a world that is today very much empirical to one that is driven by scientific evidence. And I think that's amazing.